Hello, mathematicians. Today, you are going to practice using your whiteboards and your markers while we do math, okay? So if you're watching this video, that means you are not live with me, okay? So if you ever find that you need more time, you can always pause this video, okay? You can always pause it and then play when you are ready, okay? So we're working on using some strategies that are going to help us with multiplication, right? You just did some skip counting. You did an application problem, a word problem using some strategies. Now you're going to have the chance to do it on a whiteboard. Now, your whiteboard is not as big as mine. This is just because I'm the one making the video. You have the whiteboards that I made for you guys and put into your supply bags. So you have, it's like a page protector, it's a clear sheet, and some thick paper called cardstock, okay? That's the whiteboard that you have. And guess what? It works just as well. And the cool thing about whiteboards, you don't need this fancy eraser. I just happen to have it because I'm a teacher. But you can use a paper towel, a tissue, an old sock, a napkin. They work just as fine, okay? So with what you have, you're doing your best work, okay? The first thing I want you to do, you are going to draw two equal groups with 5 objects. First thing, draw 2 equal groups with 5 objects. Go. Oh, my bad. Okay, I'm sorry. I should have told you. When you're watching this video pre-recorded, so it's not live, and I say go, you will pause the video and do the work on your whiteboard. When you're done doing your work, then you hit play. Okay? So let's try that again. When I say go, you're doing this problem, this work on your whiteboard, pause the video, and hit play when you are ready, okay? Go. All right, so I'm about to show you the answer in 10 seconds. If you are not ready, then you can hit the pause, all right? So 2 equal groups with 5 objects. 3, 2, 1, here we go. I like to draw squares and then put the dots in there. You can do the same. Maybe you like circles better. You can also do that, right? So that was 2 equal groups with 5 objects. There are 2 groups, and they're equal, and they had the same amount, which was 5. Oh, I'm sorry, 5. Oh, man. All right, let me take care of that really quick. All right, and we're back. Now, let's practice this. You're drawing an array with 3 rows and 2 objects in each row. So remember, an array is a way of showing equal groups, but you have rows of the same amount of objects. So you're drawing an array with 3 rows and 2 objects in each row. All right? When I say go, pause the video, do the work, and hit play when you're ready to see if your work was correct. Go. All right, so if you're watching again, then that means you should have done the work yourself. If you're not ready, hit pause, and then hit play when you are. So 3 rows and 2 objects in each row. It should look something like this. So, see, we have 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 2 objects in each row. Okay? Good. All right, last Or no, not last, my bad. Okay, now we're going to do one of those pesky tape diagrams. All right, so just to review, when we have a tape diagram, that's like when we make boxes of equal groups and we put all the boxes together to help us find the total number. So in this example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 5 boxes, 5 groups. Are they equal groups? Yes, tape diagrams, they are equal groups. They have the same amount and each have 2. 5 boxes of 2 objects. We go 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or what's an easier way? Skip counting. Good. And I know some of those 2's look ugly. They look like Z's. My bad. I'm just trying to write it this way. We could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Our total is 10. Okay? Now you're going to make your own. So you're going to show 4 equal groups of 3 objects in a tape diagram. All right, show 4 equal groups of 3 objects in a tape diagram. All right, when I say go, pause the video, do the work, hit play to check your work. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, if you're watching this, that means you're ready. 4 equal groups of 3 objects in a tape diagram. So how many boxes should we have? We have 4 equal groups. Then we will have 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 4 equal groups. And how many? 3 objects. Okay, 4 equal groups of 3 objects. Now I want you to find the total number. Okay, find the total number of objects and circle that number on your whiteboard. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I forgot to remind you to hit pause, so if you did not hit pause, hit it now and then hit play when you're ready. If you did remember to pause and you are ready, then let's see. We have 4 equal groups of 3 objects. We add them all together and we get 12 objects as our total. Okay? All right. You know what? Really quick, write a repeated addition equation to show what we did. Write an addition equation to show what we did. You may go. All right, so what I would do is we had how many groups? 3. Sorry, we had 4 groups and we had 3 in each. So we added 3 4 times. So we did, hold on, 3 plus 3 to get 12. All right. So that's a tape diagram and repeated addition to find the total. All right. So now you're going to have the chance to do your exit ticket. You're going to click on the Seesaw link on this math assignment. Okay, and if you need help, there is a video that shows you how to use Seesaw. All right, get to work, mathematicians.